Namaskar, I Vishwaruparat welcome you all to Uday India Digital. Today I'll talk about invasive alien species which are causing a threat to humans and the environment. A recent report by the Intergovernmental Science Policy Platform on Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services has found that over 37,000 alien species have been introduced to the world's ecosystem, of which 10% are considered to be invasive. These invasive alien species can have a devastating impact on native plants and animals, as well as on human health and economies. What are invasive alien species? An invasive alien species is an organism that is introduced to a new environment outside of its native range and becomes established and spreads, causing harm to the environment, economy, or human health. Invasive alien species can be plants, animals, insects, microbes, or any other organism. How are invasive alien species introduced to our environment? Invasive alien species can be introduced to our environment in a variety of ways, including accidental transport. This can happen through the movement of goods and materials such as shipping containers, ballast water, and live animals. Intentional introduction. This can happen for a variety of reasons such as food, ornamental purposes, or biological control. Climate change. Climate change can create conditions that are more favorable for the introduction and spread of invasive alien species. For example, rising temperatures can allow some species to move into new areas, and changes in precipitation patterns can affect the distribution of water and food resources. What are the impacts of invasive alien species? Invasive alien species can have a wide range of negative impacts on the environment, economy, and human health. These impacts include loss of biodiversity. Invasive alien species can displace native plants and animals, leading to extinction. Damage to ecosystems. Invasive alien species can alter the structure and function of ecosystem, reducing their ability to provide essential services such as water purification and pollination. Economic losses. Invasive alien species can damage crops, livestock, and infrastructure, leading to economic losses. Human health risks. Invasive alien species can transmit diseases to humans or animals, or they can cause allergic reaction or other health problems. What can be done to prevent the spread of invasive alien species? There are a number of things that can be done to prevent the spread of invasive alien species, including screening of imported goods and material. This can help to identify and prevent the accidental introduction of invasive alien species. Control of intentional introduction. This can be done through regulation, education, and awareness raising. Management of existing invasive alien species. This can involve controlling their population or removing them from the environment. Now, what is the future of invasive alien species? The threat of invasive alien species is a growing one, and it is likely to become more serious in the future due to climate change. Climate change is creating conditions that are more favorable for the introduction and spread of invasive alien species, and it is also making it more difficult to manage existing invasive species. It is important to take actions now to prevent the spread of invasive alien species. We can do this by screening imported goods and materials, controlling intentional introduction, and managing existing invasive species. By taking action now, we can help to protect our environment, economy, and human health from the threat of invasive alien species. With this, I wrap up this edition. Stay tuned to Uday India.